Assalamu alaikum. Winter is here and having no hot nahari. That is impossible. Until you get the real taste of Rowan, Maghaz and Nalli, the icy winds of winter feel incomplete. So what are you waiting for? Today, we will teach you how to make Shahi Maghaz Nalli Nihari with the authentic masalas of ancient Tabeebs. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1 kilogram beef shank meat, 750 grams bones, 1½ cup of oil. Golden fry 1 large onion and remove it. Fry meat and bones in the same oil until golden. Add 6 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute it. Add 1½ tablespoon salt. Roast 1 teaspoon turmeric. Add 1 liter water and cook on very low flame until meat is tender. To start, anise, 1 teaspoon raw cumin, 3 black cardamoms, 3 tablespoons whole coriander, 1½ tablespoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon white cumin, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1/4 piece of nutmeg, 1 small piece of mace, 6 green cardamoms, 12 cloves, double black pepper, then cloves, 3 bay leaves. These are the original and secret spices of Nihari. 1 teaspoon dry ginger, ½ teaspoon allspice, ½ teaspoon garam seeds, 5 to 7 long peppers, 15 to 20 whole red chilies. Dry roast all spices for 1 minute on low heat. Now add these special spices, cook for a few seconds and remove. 1 teaspoon tartaric acid, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili, 1½ teaspoon ginger powder. Grind everything into a fine powder. Add it to the meat. Mix it well. Core it. Cook for approximately 45 minutes. Mix 100 grams of gram flour in water thoroughly. Meat is tender now. Remove the open bones and small meat pieces and keep them aside. Now add the gram flour mixture. Keep stirring the spoon until it becomes thick. Add 1 glass of water. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili and mix. Since the gram flour was raw, we need to cook it covered on low flame for 30 to 45 minutes. Nihari is ready. Rogan has come to the top. Now add half tablespoon black salt. This is also a secret. It doubles the fragrance and flavor of nihari. Now clean 1 green and fry it in half cup of oil. Add half teaspoon salt and fry it well. You can boil the brain before adding to nihari. But I don't like boil, so I fried it. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili and fry a little more. Now the brain is also ready. What a charming color! Now pour rogan and brain over the nihari. Garnish with fried onions, ginger, green chilies and lemon. And serve it. Lose yourself in the taste of every bite of this mouth-watering Maghaz Nalli Nihari. Enjoy it with rogani naan, sheermal naan or fried naan. Like it. Share with your loved ones. For more authentic recipes and best tips, subscribe to Authentic Quick and Healthy Cooking.